What's going on, y'all, man? Welcome back to another video. It is your boy Fatkat, of course, man, bringing you another one, man. So tonight we are headed out to this little cart, man. I said we, man, because look who I got with me. Anyway, man, still trying to warm her up a little bit, but anyway, man, we headed out to this little cart meet. Man, it's like 9:45 at night. It's supposed to start around 9:30 to 11. I don't know if there's gonna be a lot of people out there though, because it is kind of drizzling and raining. It's supposed to be kind of doing that all night tonight and tomorrow, so we'll see what it is, man. But anyway, so we're headed over there right now. Again, me and my beautiful wife. Say hello. And we're headed over right now, man. So I'll get with y'all when we get there, man. Let's go. So we just got here, man. Looks like all these people are leaving, and it seems like I don't know. There's a cop over there, so I don't know if the cop came and shut everything down. But it looks like everybody's leaving, man. So, womp womp womp. You know, it's crazy because I got invited to this thing like 3 times. It's like my first time coming out here, and my wife came out. And the one time that we came out here, they shut everything down. That's crazy. All right, guys, man, so that was a fail. We ended up talking to that cop, the police that was there. We talked to him for about a good maybe 5 or 10 minutes. Just kind of ask him what, you know, what happened or whatever, and this and that. He ended up being mad cool. His name was Brad. I told him to check out the channel. So if you're watching this, man, appreciate you for checking out the channel. But anyway, man, so he ended up being they had to break it up, man, and like I was, or like he was explaining to us, they just started doing that. Like I think like I told you guys, that meet. They invited me out a couple times though, but they just started doing that maybe about a month and a half ago. And he was saying, you know, he was cool. He was like, you know, because that's the area that he actually patrols and everything else. But, you know, he's like, you know, he was cool with it because, you know, as long as they're not making any noise or they're not bothering nobody, this and that, you know. But then, you know, they started doing, like, according to him, you know, or according to, I guess, reports, not necessarily him, but according to reports, they were doing, like, burnouts and, you know, racing up and down, you know, and that area that we were in, it's literally, it's an old Toys R Us, man. So it's like, and it's in like the mall. So it's like the mall parking lot is here, and then the Toys R Us is here. So, but it's all in the same entrance. So it's kind of like right across the street from like Dillard's, basically. You know what I'm saying? If you, or like a, you know, department store. So yeah, he was saying, man. So basically, they just brought heat on themselves, and you know, they basically put themselves as a target. And people out there doing, and I guarantee you it's probably just a few people. It probably wasn't even a lot of them, but you know, a few people, man. Like as they always say, a few bad apples, you know, spoils the bunch, man. So yeah, man. So he said they had eyes on them now, and they had to go break it up. You know, that was his orders, was that, hey, man, those people over there again, go break, you know, go check them out or whatever, this and that. But he said, you know, at first, man, they weren't really making any noise, they weren't really bothering nobody, so he really didn't, you know, he really didn't care. But again, like I said, they started acting up, man, so they had to check them out, see what's going on. So anyway, man, so womp womp womp, heading back home. Probably gonna go watch a movie or something, get some wine or something. Well, she'll probably get some wine, I'll probably get something else. But yeah, that's it, man. So I guess we're gonna call it a night. Go to the crib, like I said, get some wine, man, relax, watch a movie, so on and so forth, and that'll be it for this one. So appreciate y'all for checking in, man. Sorry it wasn't a full video. Sorry we couldn't bring more to you guys, but obviously there's more to come. Got a lot of exciting things that's happening next week, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, man. A lot more to come. You want to tell them anything, babe?
Have a good night.
Have a good night, man. All right, man. We see you on the next one, man. Later.